looking for school who offers quality education in computer programming courses and computer fundamental courses, AMA Computer Learning Center help us to achieve our goal. So, what are you waiting for? Don't miss this opportunity to unlock your potential and transform your dream into reality.
Here are some educators and staff.
Our school director, Miss Helen Marcos. Our IT head, property custodian, instructor, Sir Burton Kada. Is one of our IT instructor here in AMA Hong Kong, Miss Ma'am Sara Litaban. Here's our marketing officer, Micaela Marie Sotian. Our cashier, Ma'am Imelda Alba. You can pay here or you can go directly to our teacher cashier. The root of education is bitter, the fruit is sweet.
As an OFW, we also dream of finishing our study because we believe education is one thing that no one can take away. OFWs are resourceful or madiskarte, but if we have also a diploma, this is giving us more plus benefits that we can use as a weapon to face the modern society. Just like some regular students, we also have activities. Recently, we have Sports Fest and Acquaintance Party. We also celebrate Buwan ng Wika, Christmas Party, Easter Holiday, Independence Day, Mother's Day, Teacher's Day, Valentine's Day, Teachers and Students' Birthday, 2024 graduates, who giving us inspiration to continue reaching our goals.
Sa mga kapwa ko estudyante na naghihirap para maabot ang kanilang mga pangarap, ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo is ipagpatuloy nyo lang yan at tiwala lang sa sarili. Although we have different struggles in life, we have to set disciplines to ourselves para sa ating pag-aaral, and also tiwala lang sa ating Panginoong Diyos. And especially, we have to set goals in our lives. Yun kasi yung magiging inspiration natin, and also it keep us motivated, diba? Para sa ating pamilya and also para sa ating pangarap.
Okay, for me, I don't need to pressure the student to continue their studies but to be inspired po sa mga gaya namin na patapos na rin sa pag-aaral. As an OFW, working student and the same time, breadwinner of the family, I can say na isa na rin ako sa mga student na maging inspirasyon ng mga student na nagsisimula pa lamang. Walang madali sa pagkamit ng pangarap. Lahat ay pagdadaanan, madali o mahirap man ito. Kaya advice ko lang sa mga student na nagsisimula pa lamang, please set your goals at alam nyo kung ano yung priorities ninyo. Na kahit anong problemang dumating, lagi pa rin nasa top priority natin yung goal na makatapos. Dahil ito lang ang bukod tangi nating kayamanan na kahit sino man ay walang makakakuha. And please enjoy your journey as students. Hindi naman natin kailangan na magpaka-stress kasi stress na nga tayo sa work natin, tapos stress pa tayo sa school. Just enjoy the flow.
To ACLC faculties, I would like to say thank you. And yes, nakatulong sila na malaki, especially Ma'am Helen, our school director. Thank you, Ma'am, for your guidance, for your advices, and for your advices that keep us motivated to continue our studies. Not only Ma'am Helen, also thank you kay Sir Word, Sir Manuel, Ma'am Nancy, Ma'am Mel, Ma'am Adel, and all our previous instructor. Thank you very much po sa inyong mga guidance. And I am proudly to say that I am a graduate from ACLC Hong Kong and AMA Online Education. Thank you.
For me, I'm so grateful na nakilala ko ang ACLC kasi ito yung nagbukas sa akin ng pag-asa na makapagtapos ng college, na hindi na kailangan bumalik sa Pinas. Nakapag-aral ka, makatulong ka pa sa family mo. Ang programa ng ACLC ay malaking tulong para sa mga taong nangangarap makatapos, ngunit kailangan magtrabaho para sa family nila. At grateful din ako kasi nung time na yon, CSD nag-open ng degree course. Maraming student ang nabuhayan. Nabuhayan ng pag-asa na pwede palang matupad ang pangarap ko na makapagtapos ng college. Dito lang sa ACLC na pwede nating pakiusapan, pwede tayong mag-take ng exam kahit hindi pa tayo makabayad kasi gawa ng marami tayong bayarin. Si ACLC kasi naiintindihan niya ang mga hinain ng mga student. At dahil kay ACLC, nakatapos ako ng college na hindi na kailangang umuwi ng Pinas. At kung ako yung tatanungin, i-recommend ko ang ACLC sa mga gaya ko ding OFW na gustong makapagtapos ng pag-aaral.
Come and visit at 4th floor, 401 to 402, Winta Commercial Center, 177 to 183 Winlook Street, Shungwan. And they are offered Tuesday to Sunday schedule. And for those who cannot attend every weekends, you can take the weekdays schedule. Course offers Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Computer Education,
and Bachelor of Science in Information Technology.